Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this Meisenhoger 2-pack cycling bike hat. I'm going to show you guys what these look like here. We'll open it up. Look at them both. So we got two of them here. One's in plastic and one's not. Look how cool these are, like a spacey theme. But these, that's what it looks like here. So you can see it goes on. It's got a nice good feel to it. It's got the nice little brim. Look, I can put it on under my helmet if I wanted to, and give me a little bit of view. Or when I just stop riding and I just want to cover myself up with something so I don't look too ridiculous with my hair everywhere, I can put this on here. So that's what this one looks like. Let's see what the other one looks like here as well. And it says Velagarb. Does this one say it too? Nope. And there we are there. So there it is. I can kind of see it. It says it there. I can read it as I'm for myself right there. Oh, if I do this way. There. So that's what it looks like. Oh, this one here says LQSGCD. So if I do it that way, like that. But cool hats. I like them. I'm ready to go biking. So thumbs up.